It's within a box. Okay, there's a label here, which is probably important. Anyway, we're probably in part 2 of the video at this point. It says new Pampas home party. There we go. I thought you guys might want to read since I butcher everything that I say, so there we go. At least you can read it. Ooh, exciting. But I think maybe I should open both sides, just simply because I don't want to wreck what's in here. So maybe if I open the incorrect side, if I have both sides open, I can reach the stickies that are in here. Look at that. There's some stick bits in there. And on top, it is cool and fluffy. So I'm not going to mess with that. I will push from the bottom.
Likey